this way. Nymeria eating her first meal. She got sick in the car on the way here. But now she's hungry. Look at her just go, eh? Our little baby weighs 28 pounds. Did she pee or did she just drip water because she was drinking? It's just little puddles. Maybe she put her paws in. I think we might need to get her the slow feed bowl. She's so hungry. Don't choke, girl.
Calm down there with the food. You're eating too much.
Make sure she drinks some water after she inhales all that. And then we gotta take her out. Nope. Thought they might be a little big, but not really.
Oh yeah, that was only what?
Mm-hmm. Yep, that was a cup of food in 1 minute and 26 seconds. Drink some water, girl.
Oh, look at that. Hair's already flying. Sure, it'll be a little stressful for her. Tonight at least.
I think the video quality just went down. Hi. Hello.